Alright, hello again. Now we're going to be classifying triangles again, but we're going to look at their sides, not their angles. We're going to look at their sides. And there are only three ways to do this: equilateral, isosceles, scalene. So the first one, equilateral. An equilateral triangle has three congruent sides. Three congruent sides. All three sides are equal in length. Okay? All three are equal in length. That's what congruent basically means. Same size, same shape. Isosceles is the second way to classify triangles according to their sides. Isosceles has at least two congruent sides. At least two congruent sides. And that'll be isosceles. Funny word, isosceles. And the third way to classify a triangle by its sides is scalene. And scalene has no congruent sides. All three sides are going to be different. Okay, let's continue. We're going to find side lengths of these triangles. And this has nothing to do with 180 degrees, because 180 degrees is dealing with angles, and we're not looking at angles anymore. We're looking at the sides. Alright, so we're looking at the sides. So, key here is that you read that they're talking about perimeter, and we've talked about perimeter before. Perimeter, rim, you're going around the outside rim. So we're going to add up all the sides, and we know it's going to equal 57. So here we go. Add up all the sides. So you're going to have a 15 plus a 13 plus an x plus 1, and it's going to equal 57, because that's what it tells me. Most common mistake kids make is they think it's going to add up to 180 degrees. No, we're not dealing with angles now. We're dealing with sides. We're measuring the sides. Okay, put a 1 in front of that x. Add up like terms. 15 plus 13 plus 1. 15 plus 13 plus 1 would be 29. Plus 1x equals 57. Subtract 29 from both sides of the equal sign. And x will equal 57 minus 29, which is 28. Now don't forget to plug that back in. So you take your 28 and you substitute it right here. 28 plus 1. 28 plus 1 is 29 inches. And now you classify this triangle. All three sides are different. None of these are congruent. So this would be a scalene triangle. Scalene. Because none of them are congruent to each other. Alright, number 2. These symbols here, this has 1 slash, this has 1 slash, this has 1 slash. That's telling you that they're all three the same. They're all congruent to each other. Now we don't know what they are, so we'll just substitute an x there. And now the perimeter, we're going around the rim, is 63. So x plus x plus x is going to equal 63. So x plus x plus x is going to equal 63. So that's 1x plus 1x plus 1x. That's 3x equals 63. Divide by 3. X equals 21. So this side here is 21 centimeters. This is 21 centimeters. And this one is 21 centimeters. And all three of them are the exact same length. All three are congruent. That's called an equiangular triangle. sorry, not equiangular, equilateral. Equilateral, because all the sides are the same. Equilateral, that's an R. All right, last one. We're adding up all the sides because it mentions here perimeter. Okay, this time only 2 of them are the same. So we don't know what they are, so we'll use X. And we know they're the same, so we'll use the same letter, X. Now you're going to add them up, and it's going to add to 25, because that's the perimeter. So X plus 3X plus 5, all 3 sides adds up to 25. You have to go all the way around, side 1, side 2, side 3. All right, put a 1 here. Add like terms. You can add up the x's. That's 5x plus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides of the equal sign. And then divide by 5. And you get x equals 4. And then don't forget, take that, substitute it right here and here and here. So both of these have to be 4 yards. So that's 4 yards. This side's 4 yards. And then this side you're going to go 3 times 4 because x is 4. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 5. This one's 17 yards. Now 2 of them are equal. 2 of them are equal. So that makes this isosceles. An isosceles triangle. All right, I hope this is helpful. Good luck.